Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of bad bugs. Number 1. Baking soda. You already know that baking soda absorbs moisture in the refrigerator, but did you know that it also sucks moisture out of bad bugs' bodies? To use this powder, spread it wherever find bugs, including cracks and crevices. Be sure to vacuum and apply every few days. Number 2. Diatomaceous earth. This product is miracle against all type of bugs, including fleas. It's made from naturally occurring sedimentary rock that's crumbled into a fine powder. To use it successfully, spread it all over the floor and in cracks and crevices. It can take up 10 days to work, but the fine powder has tiny shards that kill insects. We don't suggest putting on your mattress, as tempting as it may sound. The reason is that those shards, through microscopic, can get in your lungs and cause damage. Number 3. Double-side tape. Wrap this along the circumference of the bedposts along the floor. That way, as bugs try to climb up into bed with you, they'll get stuck at base camp. Make sure you don't sabotage your efforts by if you neglect to clip blankets, pillow, and clothing off the floor. Then don't be surprised if they more interpersing bugs eat and ride. Number 4. Hair dryer. If you're in a hurry to get to sleep and you don't have days to wait for this other solution to take effect, blast your hair dryer over the affected areas. The heat will kill the bugs and allow you to go to sleep without having to worry about being someone's dinner. Number 5. Silica gel. The little packets you find in food products and shoes box to keep the contents dry cool also help kill off insects. To use them, grind up the bed and spread the powder around the source area. If you've got kids and pets, you may want to avoid this technique as direct exposure and silica inhalation is harmful. Instead, opt for baking soda, which has a similar effect.